No, it's fine. You don't have to pay me back. It's my wedding gift to you. Oh, I gotta go. Bye-bye. Thanks so much. Is it all right if I pay for the person behind me?
Yeah. Yeah, you sure about that? It's pre-ordered.
Yeah, of course. Thanks so much.
Tuesdays, am I right?
Hi, Dad. Yeah. No. Everything's fine. I paid for someone's coffee today. Yeah, it was nice, but it was like an $845 cup of coffee. I know. Yeah. I'll watch my wallet, as you say. Yeah, I'll worry about rent. You worry about your stuff. I'll call you back. Wish what you must, but others to dust?
I wish for my rent to be paid. I wish for a new car. I know, it's crazy, the watch. I wish for fruit punch. Boom! And it's crazy, but it came with a note that said something would be taken from me if I use it, but nothing. It's like taking candy from a baby.
Okay, cool, but what about the note?
Nothing will happen. Watch. I wish for a new house with 20 cars, a pool, and a man cave in the basement, and unlimited food. It's the location of the house. See? Pero.
Hello, this is Dr. Henderson with the county hospital. But your father got into a construction accident this morning.
You've got to be kidding me!
Yes, yeah, I'll be right there. I wish everything was undone. Undo everything! Undo everything! I wish for everything to be undone.
I wish for my father to live.